Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of your Kaspa series 2.5-10x44mm Illuminated mil-dot reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849-814. It does feature 2.5-by-10 magnification. It is a 44mm objective. Your reticle is a tactical mil-dot illuminated reticle. It is a matte black finish. The field of view is 37.7 feet at 100 yards. Your eye relief is 3.74 inches. The overall length of the scope is 12.79 inches. Your weight is 24.3 ounces. And it does have a 1/4 inch clip value at 100 yards. It does come with an Allen key wrench, a lens cleaning cloth, your manufacturer instruction booklet, a warranty and registration card, and it also has the specification and instruction sheet on your mil-dot illuminated reticle. The scope is a one-piece tube. It does feature a pop-up style, finger adjustable, tactical turret. Here's your windage, here's your side focus. But your windage and elevation are pop-up. Again, it is a one-piece tube construction. It is nitrogen purged to eliminate fogging, so it is waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof. It does have multi-coated lenses. And your click value on your windage and elevation again is a 1/4 inch at 100 yards. Again, it is a 30mm tube. It is a matte black finish. And your reticle is a tactical illuminated mil-dot reticle, which probably cannot see because it's going to be an illuminated reticle. And again, this has been the unboxing video for your Kaspa series 2.5-10x44mm illuminated mil-dot reticle rifle scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849-814.